In today's digital world, change is constant, whether this be in the technologies we use, the threats we face, or the environments where we work and store data. A strong foundation of digital trust is critical for organizations to mitigate risks caused by the increasing amount of data and identities, accelerating digital transformation, fast adoption of new technologies introducing unexpected vulnerabilities, and growing industry regulations and compliance mandates. For more than 25 years, governments and the most trusted brands in the world have relied on our innovative, high-assurance Luna hardware security modules to protect identities, devices, and applications, where confidentiality, integrity, and availability are paramount. Luna HSM 7 can help your organization follow best security practices by creating, managing, and protecting encryption keys in a hardware root of trust. Luna 7 is certified and validated against the most stringent requirements, ensuring users, devices, data, software code, and documents can be trusted. Exceed the availability and performance demands of high-volume and mission-critical applications. Consume Luna HSM services on premises, as a service, or hybrid to optimize root of trust deployments for your requirements. Easily secure applications and services with hundreds of out-of-the-box integrations and a wide variety of APIs. Secure your digital transformation with Luna HSM 7, the foundation of digital trust for both traditional and emerging technologies, from PKI to blockchain, DevOps, and IoT. Visit our Luna 7 HSM website to learn more.